So we are going to show freezing of bacteria or yeast cultures. So basically we just take, normally what I like to do is I like to use use those, and they have a cap. And then you can write on the cap the strain number, like those caps get inserted there. But since this is just for testing, I'm just going to use the most lousy, the lousy ones. So those are special cryotubes. Let me find that. Well, let me just find it. All right. We have the real, if we're freezing down real strains, so this is a demo, right? So if we want to freeze down real strains, we would need to log that strain in a database. And then, for example, if it's like 5,000, let's say 5,000, right? I would actually write down like a WY 5,000 or something like this, right? And also on the cap, I would write down 5,000 because when you open the drawer up, you want to see from the top. So that is important. Yes, and we have, we have the Bunsen burner going, and then we have this overnight. So I'm going to just loosen it a little bit, right? I just put it here, and I'm just, so we have 75% glycerol stock. Um, because each time, because 75% we need to dilute to 15%, so the fivefold dilution, right? So we need a very tiny amount. For 1 ml, we only need a 0.2. So for this reason, I never just stick my pipette into this. I always aliquot out first, right? So I take a falcon tube at 15 mils. That's more than enough. So I'm just going to aliquot, like say, I'm going to aliquot like say 10 milliliters, right, into here. Oh, I only take like say 10 mils at max, and that's 50 cubes, and I'm sure you won't be able to use that much. Use a paper. You can reuse the paper. And so the thing to remember is that glycerol is very, very viscous, right? It's very viscous. So you have to be patient. When you suck it up, just wait, right? Because there's a lag, as you will see. See, even if you stop, you see it rising, right? So. See, it's still right in the back. See, you see it coming back up. So I'll just do it again. Oh. And once it's about full, we need to clean the. So we will put it back, and then of course we're going to label this. Right, 75%. And I write on top. I always like to write on top. So sterile. Here. So I will do the big one first. The culture has just been. Where do you throw the chips? Oh, yeah. So when finished, so I will just put it here. Yeah, I like to just put the things so that I know it's just like. So then the next one. So of course you don't need the vortex because it's pure solution. again, you need to wait, right, until liquid level stops rising. And then, of course, when you add, you have to wait until liquid level is completely out. Okay, then we do this. So here, of course, I'm just going to say test. It's not 5,000, right? It's just a test. So now you can go downstairs and put in the -80 freezer.